I work in an office. I work in an office. I have a job. I have a job. I go to work every day. I go to work every day. I start work at 9. I start work at 9. I finish work at 5. I finish work at 5. I work with a team. I work with a team. My team is supportive. My team is supportive. I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today. The meeting starts soon. The meeting starts soon. I join the meeting. I join the meeting. I speak in meetings. I speak in meetings. I share my ideas. I share my ideas. My ideas are clear. My ideas are clear. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I understand the task. I understand the task. I complete my work. I complete my work. I finish tasks on time. I finish tasks on time. I manage my time well. I manage my time well. I check my emails. I check my emails. I reply to emails. I reply to emails. I send professional emails. I send professional emails. I write clearly. I write clearly. I communicate well. I communicate well. I talk to my manager. I talk to my manager. My manager gives instructions. My manager gives instructions. I follow instructions carefully. I follow instructions carefully. I ask questions. I ask questions. I solve problems. I solve problems. I make decisions. I make decisions. I improve my skills. I improve my skills. I learn new things. I learn new things. I attend training sessions. I attend training sessions. I work on projects. I work on projects. The project is important. The project is important. I meet deadlines. I meet deadlines. Deadlines are important. Deadlines are important. I stay organized. I stay organized. I keep my desk clean. I keep my desk clean. I use a computer. I use a computer. I work online. I work online. I attend online meetings. I attend online meetings. I share files online. I share files online. I collaborate with my team. I collaborate with my team. Teamwork is important. Teamwork is important. I respect my colleagues. I respect my colleagues. My colleagues are helpful. My colleagues are helpful. I give feedback. I give feedback. I receive feedback. I receive feedback. Feedback helps me improve. Feedback helps me improve. I stay professional. I stay professional. I prepare for meetings. I prepare for meetings. I present my ideas. I present my ideas. I give presentations. I give presentations. My presentation is clear. My presentation is clear. I use simple language. I use simple language. I speak confidently. I speak confidently. I explain my work. I explain my work. I answer questions clearly. I answer questions clearly. I handle work pressure. I handle work pressure. I stay calm at work. I stay calm at work. I plan my workday. I plan my workday. I set daily goals. I set daily goals. I complete my goals. I complete my goals. I track my progress. I track my progress. I improve my performance. I improve my performance. I work efficiently. I work efficiently. I use my time wisely. I use my time wisely. I stay focused at work. I stay focused at work. I avoid distractions. I avoid distractions. I stay productive. I stay productive. I build professional skills. I build professional skills. I grow in my career. I grow in my career. I look for new opportunities. I look for new opportunities. I attend job interviews. I attend job interviews. I improve my resume. I improve my resume. I learn business English. I learn business English. I communicate with clients. I communicate with clients. I understand client needs. I understand client needs. I provide good service. I provide good service. I build strong relationships. I build strong relationships. I work on business goals. I work on business goals. I help my company grow. I help my company grow. I support my team. I support my team. I take responsibility. I take responsibility. I handle tasks carefully. I handle tasks carefully. I stay motivated at work. I stay motivated at work. I improve every day. I improve every day. I achieve my goals. I achieve my goals. I stay professional always. I stay professional always. I build my future. I build my future. I work hard for success. I work hard for success. I stay disciplined. I stay disciplined. I learn from experience. I learn from experience. I grow step by step. I grow step by step. I stay committed to my work. I stay committed to my work. I manage my responsibilities. I manage my responsibilities. I improve my communication. I improve my communication. I become more confident. I become more confident. I develop my career. I develop my career. I build a successful life. I build a successful life.